Welcome. If you're looking to turn off those experience events notifications on your mobile device while using Roblox, you're in the right place. Whether you're tired of constant alerts or just want a little more peace and quiet while gaming, I'll walk you through the latest, easiest steps to get it done. Let's jump right in. First, grab your phone and open up the Roblox app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're in, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots labeled More. Go ahead and tap on those dots to open up the More menu. In this menu, you'll find a variety of options, but what you're looking for is Settings. Tap on Settings to continue. Now, you'll see a list of different settings you can adjust, but for this, you want to focus on Notifications. Tap on Notifications to bring up all your notification preferences. Next, find the option that says Mobile Push Notifications. This is where you can control which notifications get sent directly to your phone. Tap on Mobile Push Notifications, and you'll see a list of different notification types. Look for the one labeled Experience Events. This is the setting that controls notifications about events happening in the experiences you play or follow. If you want to stop receiving these alerts, simply toggle the switch next to Experience Events to the off position. Once it's toggled off, you won't get any more notifications about experience events on your mobile device. And that's it. You've successfully turned off experience events notifications on Roblox Mobile. Now you can enjoy your gaming sessions without any unwanted interruptions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tips and tricks for making your Roblox experience even better. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!